Most men don't lack motivation. They lack self-trust. You say you're going to start. You say you're going to change. You say this time is going to be different. And then you don't. And it doesn't change. And it's not different. That's not weakness. That's broken self-trust in yourself, guys. So I'm building something simple for you. 30 days, one decision a day. Small promises kept. That's how you rebuild confidence. Not hype, discipline. If you're ready, stay close. I'm getting ready to help you rebuild.